Hello, hello, hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And our lovely founder is our host for the month of September of 2022, and she is encouraging us to dust off our Cricuts or Silhouettes or manual or electronic die cutting machines and use them. And she is challenging not just us, the Mini Kit Monday ladies, but she is challenging our Facebook group members and you that is watching this video. Now let's take a look at the thin cuts that I have pre-selected from my scrappy stash. I have this double wonky oblong frame and a double wonky square frame, and then a double heart, a single heart, and a solid heart. And that is from Art Journal Specials, along with this set here. So we have these wonky hexagons here, these drippy circle or coffee rings, and then some hearts, and then this is a frame. I have stars and circles from Close to My Heart. And then I have several different types of frames and a pocket that you can make. Now for my pre-cut designs that I have in this book that I have not used. And it looks like I have a leftover piece here of circles, but we have these circles with triangles on each side of the paper. You can see that. The glare. There we go. See that? Isn't that cool? And then I'm going to slide this over. Let's see. These are a hexagon. Open with solid in the middle. See the different circles I have? There we go. I know it's, and then I have this hexagon maze. And then I have some various stars. Can you see that? The stars, there we go. Not sure what you would call this shape here. All kinds of funky looking shapes is what I have here that I haven't used. And that's blank. I obviously use what's there. I just have a solid heart. Can you see that? And then I have this sunflower and leaf. That would be great for an autumn layout. Blank, blank, blank. And then I have this starburst here, and that looks like Vicky Bouton paper. And then Vicky Bouton here, and look at, I have this frame right here, and then it looks like I can put a picture right in here. This is going to be cool as well, and then have it on some sort of background paper right here. Isn't that super cool? And then look at here, I've got some colorful butterflies. This has some wonky lines, and these are the inner pieces in there that I could use on a layout. Look at this. This is pretty cool. I like this. I've been wanting to use this, but more so this. Blank, 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 blank. So I used a lot because I'll fill this up. So it's time for me to get out my Cricut. These are chipboard pieces, a circled heart here. Can you see that? Open heart. And then I think the very back is a couple like Christmas decoration there. But yep, I'm going to get out my Cricut and I'm going to cut out some more. I think I'm going to get some flowers, maybe some alpha words or numbers or a reef. And that is what I am going to use in the month of September. And yes, you're not going to see my selection of papers or embellishments until I start creating my layout. Oh, don't forget to go check out our Facebook group site. And I will have the link listed below, along with Becky and Kathy's channel, so you can see what they have gathered to use in the month of September. And they may have gathered all their papers and embellishments, but this time I'm twisting it up a little bit. I'm just showing you my die cuts and pre-cut patterns that I have already had in my scrappy stash. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.